Greetings, this is Defeat Gang Stalking Manual Official. Now, this channel, Defeat Gang Stalking Manual Official, is the ultimate channel to defeating gang stalking on YouTube and getting on with your life and living a good one. I'm not joking. Now, my 3 top and best documentaries on YouTube in order to help gang stalking is titled Gang Stalking Targeted in America, Just the Facts, Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. Once you watch those documentaries, trust me, you'll be on your road to defeating gang stalking and continue living your life. Nothing can stop you, empowered individuals. Also, if you want to deprogram, I also have videos on how to deprogram from the gang stalking mind manipulation. I think one of the titles are how to make the gang stalking attack impotent, which means powerless. And I also have another one that's titled How to Break the Mental Leash. It's on my channel, Defeat Gang Stalking Manual Official on YouTube. And I also have a ton of other videos that will help you defeat gang stalking. My channel is no joke. Right now there's a surge of fake targeted individuals posing, and they're giving false information. But my channel is all factual information. It's all factual information and factual practical solutions to defeat gang stalking. I also show you how to make money off of the gang stalking program. So that's on all my videos. But the 3 main videos you have to watch is Gang Stalking Targeted in America, Just the Facts, Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. Anyway, and there's a ton of information, more than you need. Factual information on how to defeat gang stalking, how they attack you, and how to counter and overpower it and continue living on your life. Now, here's one more thing. Do not watch none of my videos on my channel if you're not going to get up and get on with your life. If you're just going to sit there in a dark corner and be sad, no, then please do not watch my channel. This is for people who want to get back on their life, start living their life, and keep it moving. My channel is not for entertainment. It's for people who want to succeed in life and override, overwhelm, and destroy this gang stalking and then continue living their life. So anyway, this is Defeat Gang Stalking Manual Official. Life is good, life is great, life is better, and I'm living a good one. And I love you. Signing out. Peace.